Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I haven't done this before. This is my very first time of doing this, and I'm doing this simply just because of you, because I know there's a lot to offer, there's a lot to give, and I know it's going to be very helpful for those who are lovers of electronics, who want to understand the basic of electronics, how things function, and you want to go from just being a lover to become an hobbyist. I think you're going to find this video very helpful. So this video is about walking you through a process of designing a particular project, which I've titled access control system. So in this video, you're going to learn about all the important components that are essential when you want to design this particular electronics gadget. So in this tutorial, like I've said, I'm going to list out all the components that were used in designing this particular project. So you're going to learn about the cycle design, you're going to come across some mathematical calculation, and also you're going to come across certain laws and theorems that have been developed for you to calculate the voltage across certain loads. So you're going to define what loads are, and also you're going to define the kind of mathematical calculation we made. Why did we connect this in series and in parallel? This is just a little idea that is needed when you want to come up with your own cycle design as well. So after that, we're going to proceed to the simulation of this cycle that we've just developed. And after the simulation, we're going to proceed to the PCB design and fabrication. So it's all encompassing. So if you like, at the end of this, you find this very helpful and also supportive, I'd like you to just click the like button below. Thank you. Bye.